Namaste, thank you for joining me today. I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. So today we celebrate, the whole world celebrates Yoga Day. So I thought of sharing a very important technique which I use personally for making my mind very neutral when I'm meditating. So you would often find that you would be getting a lot of thoughts when you try to meditate. Always there's something or the other which is come in your mind. So I'll share two techniques, one of which is very easy to do, and the second one does take a little bit practice, but eventually when you get to that, you would be able to conquer and satisfy that. So let's start with technique one. With technique one, what you need to do is in a cross legs posture with your spine erect, and you just close your eyes very gently. Now when you breathe in, you have to breathe in counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold your breath. You have to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when you release your breath, you have to count it till 16. It's called the 4, 8, 16 breathing technique, which is quite interesting, and it just gets rid of all the thoughts if you start concentrating. And the more you get into this habit, the better it would be, because when you start doing this breathing before you actually start meditating, it actually just takes all the thoughts away, and then it brings your brain activity so low that you can actually get a really good meditation. So let's try this. If you close your eyes, sit in a cross legs posture, and with your spine erect, you can have this mudra, or you can have your palms open on your lap. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhalation. Now when you're doing the inhalation, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this way, you can do this technique. You keep on doing it at least for 5 minutes. That would be more than enough. 5 minutes, you will see a drastic change in your mental activity. Your thoughts go, your emotions go, and you're present in the moment. The second technique I use is whenever I'm doing meditation, and if a thought comes, you observe the thought coming in and imagine there's a big fire up here. You just cremate the thought. So when a thought comes, you put it straight up here and see it burning. And then when the next time the thought comes, your mind will go, oh, but you already burnt it, so how is this possible? So that's the second technique. It does take a lot of time and practice and a lot of attention, but the first technique is very easy. So I hope you can actually practice this today. Do some hatha yoga. You can do, if you know how to do Surya Namaskar, you can do Surya Namaskar, sun salutations, or you can do any other technique or any other upa yoga which you know. If you're initiated in advanced levels, you should be doing yoga every day actually, but since it's International Yoga Day, you can actually do something for the community as well. Try and spread this word, teach your friend or something. This technique is very amazing, and especially it works for people who are actually not having the good quality meditation which usually people are dreading for. So I hope this video has helped. Wish you all a happy International Yoga Day. And it's not just for this day you do yoga, you have to continue doing it for the rest of the year and probably rest of your life, because it has immense health benefits and you get a really good stability in your life. If you need any help or you have any questions regarding this practice, please drop in a comment below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for your time, and until next time, namaste.